Alright, job is done. Like I said, left cheek, right cheek. Left cheek, right cheek. What kind of car is this again? 2000 what?
1999.
1999 Mercury Sable. Cuz got it going. Mr. Bowtie Garage.
Himself.
Another happy customer. You know what I mean? Chevy Avenue. We got look, Diesel Brothers got the muscle. We got brute force over this motherfucker. This boy pick up cars with one hand. Y'all wanna see it? Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's plastic. No, I'm telling y'all, look, he could pick up a car. He could pick up the El Camino. He picked up the El Camino and the damn trailer and raised it up and put it on Big Baby one day. You hear me? With one hand though. You know what I mean? We don't need no jacks around here, man. Now yeah, back to this other shit though, man. Look, Cuz back here making the fire. Y'all know he Mr. Smokey the Bird. We ain't trying to prevent no forest fires. But yeah, man. Tell you what? Say what? Folks, come here before I slap shit out you. Throw the gas on him. Whoa, shit! Damn, I got a good ass camera. Ah, shit! All right, man. Look, we gonna get back at y'all, man. Bowtie Garage.